We're going to make our cauliflower rice in here. Today we're going to make another delicious dish. I don't know what to call it. You could call it cauliflower rice with vegetables, with delicious sauce. We're going to use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ingredients all together and create an amazing dish. So let's get started. Make sure to use 5 tomatoes, some dill, curcuma, sweet corn, round zucchinis. Aren't they beautiful? Round zucchini. And of course, a cauliflower. All we need is a mixer and a tiny little food processor. I make sure to use glass containers here because I want to reduce the use of plastic, or I want to try just stop using plastic. It's impossible, is it? I mean, look at my camera, look at my CD collection, and yeah, but I definitely want to try and reduce the use of plastic as much as possible, especially in a kitchen. So that's why I got a tiny little food processor, because I wanted to have it like this, a glass container. I hope that one day it will be possible that we completely eliminate the use of plastic, or at least find a great use for all the recycled things. This is a serious issue, and loads of people are now waking up, slowly but surely. All of us are waking up because we have no other choice, trying to use less and less plastic. So you can do that too. I found out that there is a great store in Mainz, which is not far from where I live. They have everything unpacked, so you can go there with your own glass container or whatever you have and buy some shampoo, for example, or some washing liquid. Isn't that great? I hope you have stores like that in the US as well. And if you do, definitely give it a try. You can change so much. You can make such a huge difference, you know, by changing your actions, by changing your habits. You can make a huge impact. Don't underestimate your own power. You are more powerful than you think. This is my tiny food processor. I really wanted to get one made out of glass, and this is really small, but it was so important to me that I gave it a try, and I'm really happy with it. It works really well. We're going to make our cauliflower rice in here. If you like this video, then remember to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and let's rock together. I just love this lifestyle, and the raw vegan lifestyle is actually our natural way of living. But because we forgot all about it, we have to slowly go back to Mother Nature. But it's not that hard, you know. If I managed it, then so can you, and so can everyone else. I'm looking forward to your questions, comments, and ideas, because we need each other, right? We need each other's inspiration and feedback and everything from each other, right? If you're used to eating spicy foods, then you can add a little bit more herbs in there, for example, parsley and so on, but I wouldn't exaggerate, because our taste buds need to get retrained so that we start enjoying this lifestyle fully. That's one of the problems. There's no salt, there's no spices, so how can I enjoy it? Yes, you can. It's your taste buds, you know. You need to retrain them, and then you can enjoy it in full bloom, and you won't want to go back. Have fun with it, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Mwah.